It's time to catch some bad guys. Let's see what Mia's up to.
Huh? Check out this new bracelet that I borrowed from the jewelry store. Isn't it gorgeous? So like it's 200 carats.
You're under arrest!
Arrested for what?
Arrested for stealing!
Can you at least put me in some cuter cuffs?
Fine. You're coming with me.
You can't arrest me, I'm a celebrity!
Let's go.
Bye guys, see you soon!
All right, Mia, time for mug shots.
Yeah.
Who are you?
I'm Kevin, the camera guy.
All right, Mia, let's get some glamour shots.
Looking good, Mia.
Hey, get out of here!
Ah!
Wait, come back! I wasn't done with my photos! Ugh,
Not in those clothes. Here.
these are not cute.
Put them on or I'm adding more time to your sentence.
Fine. These clothes are so ugly and baggy.
You look great in it. Say cheese.
Cheese.
All right, here's your cell.
How am I gonna sleep?
Here's your pillow. Bedtime. Go to sleep.
At least the pillow's comfy. I can't live like this! Kevin!
Yes, boss?
I need furniture now!
On it.
All right, surprise inspection. What?
Oh, hey! How you doing, Officer Lily?
Oh,
Bye, see ya!
Mia, you have mail.
Cool, a puppet! Hey!
This isn't allowed.
Then what is allowed?
Only the basics: food, clothes, and toothpaste.
Hey y'all, I've missed you. Jail life has been so tough, but you can make it better. Just get me one of these approved gifts and don't put anything cool inside. Anyways, I'll miss you. I'll see you soon.
Mail.
Ooh, what's this? Hey!
Gotta make sure you're not sneaking anything. Huh, just a sandwich. Wait,
Huh? What's wrong?
is this a rainbow grilled cheese sandwich?
Yeah, of course it is.
Wow, you're so lucky. Okay, I'm gonna take my lunch. You better behave.
Don't worry, I won't.
Time for lunch, Mia.
Huh? What's this?
Standard prison food. Take it or leave it.
Could be worse. Ugh, this food is so boring. What am I gonna do with it? Ooh, I know. Hi! Welcome back to Mia's Life. Today on my channel, I'm gonna teach you how to make sushi.
Does someone say sushi?
All right, first, you're gonna take your seaweed, then you're gonna lay down some rice, and then just wrap it up with the crab meat. You can add any of the sauces that you want, and voila, you have your California rolls.
Wow, you have California rolls. Can I have some?
Well, do you have anything to offer me?
Yes, I have Oreos.
All right, deal. Now I'm gonna teach you guys how to make some Oreo cream pie.
Mia, I got some work for you to do. Cut and prepare these stickers for the visitors.
Okay. Ugh. Do I have to?
It's either this or you clean toilets.
Fine. How am I supposed to get more viewers doing this? Ugh. Ooh, I know. There. Printer activated.
All right, here's more stickers for you to cut.
Thanks, Lily.
What, now you're excited?
I sure am. Do you guys enjoy Mia's Life? Make sure to show your support and buy my bumper stickers. Each sticker is hand cut and autographed by me.
Mail for Lily.
Where'd all this money come from?
For just one payment of $99.95, you can get yours today.
Mia!
Huh? What's going on? This is my chance!
Nice try!
What's going on? What are you doing here?
Come on, there's a power outage and I'm just here to watch you.
What? Watch me, but it's almost time for my show! Kevin!
Huh? What show?
Hi guys, welcome back to Mia's Life. Today we have a very special guest.
Oh, hi! I just wanted to say hi, Mom. Hi, Dad.
Kevin, focus on me. The show's about me.
But she's really good on camera. She can get us more views.
Give me that.
Nah.
Kevin. after this.
Come on, Mia. Visitation hours. You have 5 minutes.
So, you have news for me?
People are getting tired of you in prison. The views are going down.
I seriously need to get out of here. What should I do?
I got a plan.
All right, time to go back to the cell. Come on. We don't got all day. Face forward. Hello?
Hi, officer.
Mia, I knew it.
Hey y'all, just got out on good behavior. I can't wait to see you. I have so much to share with you guys.
Got you. I knew you were gonna pull something like this.
Almost got away with it too.
Ha! She thought she was crafty, but not as crafty as me.
Wow, she's got the goods.
Kevin!
Sorry, not sorry.
So sorry to announce that this is gonna be Mia's last episode. I'm gonna be here for a while, so this is Mia signing off. Huh?
Give me that. Welcome to the first episode of Lily's World. The lesson for today is that crime doesn't pay. Isn't that right, Mia?
Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.